Good morning, Najihah. How are you today?
I'm alright. Thank you for asking.
No need to be nervous, right? We just having a friendly conversation. Can you introduce yourself to us?
Okay. My name is Najihah. I recently graduated my diploma in computer science. I really enjoy programming, and I usually use Python and JavaScript. I like working on small apps, especially web-based one.
Speak a little louder, please. We want to hear you clearly.
Sorry. I like programming because I enjoy solving problems quietly, and I'm building useful tools.
That's good. Can you share one project you work on that you're proud of?
I work on a simple event planner web app for my final year project. I handled the backend using PHP and MySQL. It wasn't perfect, but I learned a lot, especially about connecting database.
Sounds good. How do you usually work in a team setting?
I prefer clear roles. I am not very loud, but I do my part well. I listen to others, and I try to help when I can.
So, tell us your biggest weakness when it comes to programming work.
Sometimes I hesitate to ask questions if I don't understand something. I'm scared of bothering people, but I'm trying to be braver about that.
Good volunteer, how do you handle pressure when deadlines are near?
I break the task into small parts and focus on one thing at a time. I also write lists so I don't forget anything.
Okay, alright. Final question for me. Why do you want to work with us?
I think I can learn a lot here. I like how your company build real software, and I want to grow my skills in a real work environment.
Do you have any questions for us?
No, I don't.
Okay, thank you, Najihah. You may leave now.
Thank you. Good morning, VANSHIKA. Are you ready to begin?
Oh yes, wait, I thought this was at 10. Oh, never mind. I guess I'm ready, I think.
No worries. Can you start by telling us a bit about yourself?
Okay, so I'm Vanshika, and I study something about computers. I think it's science computer. And then sometimes I do coding, and then I design. Depends on my mood lah.
Be specific, VANSHIKA. What exactly did you study and what programming skills do you have?
I think I did Python, or was it Java? I'm not really sure, but I know the logo. It's a snake logo. Wait, I think it's Python. I think I did Python a bit. I also know HTML a bit, but I don't know if that's coding. But yeah.
What kind of project have you done before?
Oh, I did a website for my friend once, or my cousin. I think I did for both, but it's not online anymore because I lost the file on my computer.
It's okay. How do you usually handle programming problems?
I usually panic a bit, and then I open Google, and then Stack Overflow. So I just restart my computer. That's about it.
Okay, VANSHIKA. So let's say we give you a task with a tight deadline. How do you manage your time?
Oh, I always plan, but then I get distracted. Like, I'll start coding, then I see a cool tutorial on YouTube, and then suddenly, I'm watching how to make 3D buttons in CSS, which has nothing to do with my task. Yeah.
Right. What is your biggest strength and weakness?
Strength, I guess I'm creative. I think of random ideas all the time. Like yesterday, I thought of an app that tells you if your cat is bored. Weakness, I'm not very good with focus, or remembering the file's name. Or what were we talking about again?
No worries, VANSHIKA. Why do you want to work at Vertus Code Studios?
Oh, because I heard this office got beanbag. Also, I like the company's name. And then, I want to improve my skills. Or maybe it also improves my focus.
Alright, thank you, VANSHIKA. That will be all for now.
Okay, thank you. Do I take back my resume? Okay, never mind. Thank you. Bye.
Good morning, Dia. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, I'm Dia. To be frank, I'm probably the strongest candidate you interviewed today. I recently completed my diploma in software engineering with distinction. I lead most of my project team because I naturally take charge and usually people just follow my lead.
There's a confidence type. Can you tell us about your experience with programming?
Of course, I mastered Python, JavaScript and PHP, and I don't mean basic stuff. I build APIs, design database and optimize code for performance. I don't waste time googling simple bugs like most people do. I debug with logic.
Tell us about the project you're proud of.
I developed a full stack booking system and for a local business. I did a front-end and back-end testing for everything. It ran smoothly and got me a top mark. Even the letter said it was industry quality.
How do you handle stress and deadlines?
I thrive under pressure while others crumble. I perform. In fact, I do better when the tight deadline. I see it was a personal challenge.
So, Dia, what's your biggest weakness?
Honestly, I set high standards sometimes to hide for others, but I rather demand excellence than settle for mediocrity.
And finally, why should we hire you?
3.
Because you won't find another candidate with my drive, talent, and confidence. I deliver.
Thank you, Dia. We'll be in touch.
Good morning, Amma. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning. I'm computer science graduate with strong skill in Python, Java and web development. I'm passionate about solving problems through technology and excited about this programmer role to contribute and continue learning.
Can you share how you handle tight deadlines?
During my internship, I developed a dashboard in 2 weeks by breaking tasks into priorities and communicating closely with my team. We completed it on a time and the project was successfully implemented.
Okay, so how do you stay updated with new technologies?
I follow tech blog, attend webinar and work on personal project using new tools like machine learning and cloud platform.
How do you work in a team?
I value clear communication and collaboration. I ensure everyone's strengths are used effectively and maintain a supportive environment.
Do you have any question for us?
Yes, I am interested to know how the company plans to adopt new technology like AI in its project.
That's a good question, Amma. Actually, we are planning on adopt AI and cloud solution to improve our software efficiency.
Okay, thank you, Amma. We'll be in touch.
Thank you very much. I look forward to it.
So, who do you think is the best candidate for the position?
So, personally, from my point of view, I think AMMAR is the best candidate so far because he answered every question confidently.
I agree with you because I think Amma is fit position.
So, we pick Amma.
Yes.